most important and powerful feature in Excel is Power Query. This is used to clean and transform our data. Now, there are many features and functions in Excel with the help of which we can clean and transform our data and make it ready for analysis. But without using those functions, we have other options in a powerful tool in Excel with the help of which we can easily transform our data without using those complex functions, and that is Power Query, right? So in this video I'm going to show you how we can use different commonly used functions in Power Query without using the function name but with the built-in feature of Power Query, right? So for the purpose of this video I'm going to take the example of Vlookup, right? So how we are going to use VLOOKUP function in Power Query. First of all, let me show you how we are going to apply the VLOOKUP function and in what scenario it is used, right? So if you can see here, we have this Excel file and we have two sheet tabs here. First one is restaurant details and second one is country details, right? Under restaurant details, we have information around different restaurants, restaurant ID, restaurant name, country code, right, from country code of the country to which they belong to, then city, cuisines, average cost for two, currency, and other details. And in the second table we have the names of the country corresponding to different country codes, right? Now the purpose is to combine these two tables so that we can get the name of the country with the corresponding country code in this restaurant details table itself, right? Because we have only the country code here. So to achieve this, we can use VLOOKUP function. So let me show you how we can use that. First of all, let's transpose this data. Control C, then transpose. Okay, let's use another location. Transpose. Done. Right. Now, if we go to restaurant details table, apply the VLOOKUP function. Lookup value will be country code, comma, table array will be this one, and let's lock it. Then we need to have the second column, then exact match, press enter. We got the Philippines, right? Drag it down. So Philippines is the country name corresponding to country code 162, and that is what written here, right? If we go down and check Brazil, it's for 30, and if we go here 30 for Brazil, right? So we have correctly combined our data. Now what if we don't want to use this VLOOKUP function, but we just want to combine these two tables with just one click? Is it possible? Yes, it's possible, because we have a powerful tool in Excel which is Power Query. Okay, let me show you how we can achieve that in Power Query. First of all, I will delete this. Okay, in country details I will delete this one. Okay, now to go to Power Query, what we need to do, first of all, go to data, then get data from file, from Excel workbook, because we have our data in this Excel file. Then select the Excel file, click on import, and a separate window will get opened which is Power Query Editor. Before that, we need to select our sheets. So we have two tables in our Excel file. We need both of them. So click on select multiple items and select both of the tables. This is the preview. Click on transform data because we are going to transform it, right? Now a separate window will get opened which is Power Query Editor. As you can see from the top, we have both of the tables listed here on the left hand side, and these are called queries in Power Query. Okay, now the objective is to combine these two tables. basis the country code column. So as to fetch the name of the country from country details table to the restaurant details table. Okay. So first of all, if we go towards the right in this restaurant details query or table, we can see some empty columns here, right? First of all, let's remove them. Select, click on remove, select, click on remove. Likewise, we'll remove all the empty columns here. The functionality of Power Query is quite easy to use. Okay, done. Now, country details. Okay, uh, in Excel, we use transpose option, right? Here also we can do the same. Go to transform, click on transpose. With one click, our data will be transposed. Okay. Now, the next objective is to combine these two tables. Okay. Now, in Power Query Editor, different tables are called queries. So, our objective is to merge both of these queries. So, for that, we have a feature under Home tab with Merge Queries. Okay, click on Merge Queries as New. It will ask the details from us. First is restaurant details table is already selected here. Next, we want to select country details table, and we need to select the column basis which we are going to merge these queries. So country code will be the column, right? Select join kind, which is left join, because it says that all rows from the first column will be fetched and matching rows from the second table will be fetched, right? The selection matches 9551 of 9551 rows from the first table. Now, after selecting these details, click on OK, and we are done. The new query has been created with the name merge1, and if we see here, we can see the restaurant details table columns. Okay, cuisines, average cost, currency, price range, voting. Then towards the right, we can see country details table. Okay, so to fetch the required column, click on this icon and select the column. Now our country name is present in the second column, right? So we'll select the second column. Click OK. And here we have all the country names listed here. We can double click here to change the column name, right? And this is done. So basis the corresponding country codes, we have our country names here without using any function. This is the importance of Power Query feature in Excel. We have many options here which we can use to clean and transform our data without using any complex or without remembering any complex function. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching.